Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to disable autoplay videos on a Facebook app. So to do that, of course, at first we have to head over to our Facebook. Once in there, make sure you have logged in into your desired Facebook account and then head over to the three lines on the top right. Now you have to go for the settings option on the top right and it will lead you to settings and privacy. Now search for the media option. So you will find it in the preferences section. So and just under the language and region. So go to the media section and here you will find the option of autoplay. So let's see if we can find it. So as you can see, there is an option of autoplay in feed and stories. So it is set on mobile data and Wi-Fi. So when my phone is on mobile data or Wi-Fi, autoplay is turned on. So we can turn it off by setting or check marking on never, and it will be saved automatically. And now our autoplay videos on Facebook is turned off or disabled. So yeah, this is how easily you can disable autoplay videos on Facebook app. Hope this video will help you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below and like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.